Alright, my name is Michael, and here today we have my 08 Honda S2000. It's a CR edition. It is turbocharged, and the turbo is the EFR 7670. He has 2 fuel pumps. He is on all-ins. He's at stop text as well. He's a hoot. He's pretty quick. He's pulled very fast. I did dyno here at OTL. He made 438 at the wheel.
I'm Dang. This is my 2007 Honda S2000. I have a HKS Supercharger on it. I just wanted it to be a daily, so it's pretty quick for that. Has Advans on there, stop tech brakes, Jay's Racing Wing, and that's pretty much it, I guess. It's just everything's all in the details. So I think it puts down about 350-ish, but I'm not tuned yet. So it has AC still, and anti-gravity battery, and that's it. So this car, when it drives on the street, it's like instantaneous. It feels like naturally aspirated, super quick. I've raced like bigger engine cars, obviously, and they're gone. I raced Lloyd's RCF only on like 6 pounds of boost, and I've left him. So Lloyd, we need to do a rematch. So I'm running 10 pounds now, so we'll go. Let's go.
Well, that was amazing. I did the first to second gear rip. I don't know if you could tell, but I was spinning on first. Those 2 gears, it was a rush. It was a rush. It's always a fun times, you know, to take your car out on a nice day like today and rip it. And that's all from me. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching today, and see you next time.